Welcome to the PERS-4200 Introduction and Product Overview. In this presentation, you will be provided with 7 reasons to upgrade to Linear's PERS-4200, PERS feature comparison by product family, and PERS-4200 system, console, and components. The PERS-4200 provides 7 new features that make it second to none. These include optional expansion modules for cellular and remote speaker capability, a 1,000-foot transmitter range for improved performance, a USB port for easier local programming with no modem required, selectable languages available in both English and Spanish, pre-recorded reminder messages, temperature alarm with a programmable two-way voice check, and improved activity timers that provide smart PERS features not found in other products. Let's move on to discussing the PERS-4200 feature comparison. The PERS-4200 console supports add-on modules for cellular connectivity and remote speaker microphone expandability. The console also supports selectable language prompts in both English and Spanish. This vocabulary is preloaded into the unit and is selectable through the programming software. This approach also allows the same units that have been returned from the field to be redeployed in an alternate language. With the illuminated help button, the console is easier to find since many emergencies occur at night. The console setup is now simplified with console color coding for phone jacks. This means that less support is required for the subscriber or caregiver to set up. Finally, there is an improved AC adapter that provides subscribers with easier placement options. The smaller, lighter adapter includes a longer cord and a bracket to hold it securely in the wall outlet. Next, we'll talk about the pendant and receiver functions. The PERS-4200 offers more than twice the range of the earlier receivers, increasing signal receiving reliability within a larger home. Subscribers with larger yards may find that they can move further away from the house and still remain within the transmitter coverage area. The RSSI function is a received signal strength indicator for range testing. During the initial setup and walk-around test, installers will be provided with spoken signal strength indicators. Remote transmitter enrolling allows dealers to ship pendants that have already been activated in their system. DX compatibility ensures that your PERS-4200 is backward compatible with a full suite of DX transmitters. This includes PIR motion detectors, door sensors, window sensors, carbon monoxide detectors, and smoke detectors. The PERS-4200 console temperature alarm allows for customizable set points to alert the central station of potentially unsafe conditions and optionally trigger a two-way voice check. The supervision and activity timer provides smart PERS features that are not found in other products. Variable supervision alerts the provider to potential system trouble. This feature can be programmed from 12 hours to 30 days. The smart activity timer windows are able to report if the subscriber is not active. Reminder messages are now preloaded onto the console and selected through the programming software. This promotes use and simplifies setup. An important feature for the 4200 is the speakerphone call-in. The console will answer the phone even if the client cannot get to the telephone or press their pendant. This provides increased safety for the subscriber and peace of mind for family members. The USB port on the 4200 means that a modem is not required for local programming, making the configuration faster and easier. Remote programming has been improved. In addition to the new RA4200 remote programming interface, the product now supports B22 modems. The 2400 and 3600 consoles require Bell 103 modems, which are hard to find. Upgradable firmware allows for a longer unit service life to keep the product fleet current. A system event log retains the most recent 100 events. This internal buffer can be uploaded by the dealer to check subscriber activity and monitor system events. The PERS-4200 system is made up of the console and 3 primary components, which include transmitters, optional modules, and accessories. Let's take a deeper look at the PERS-4200 console and components. We're going to start with the communication console. The newly illuminated console buttons not only improve night use, but the multicolored features allow us ease of use by providing a visual indication of system status. The PERS-4200 console also features a microphone with low-level noise amplification designed to pick up the voice of a subscriber in another room. The system also offers speakers with a powerful amplifier for excellent two-way voice range, a new antenna that works as a long-range receiver for long-range performance, and a new built-in programmable temperature sensor that alerts the central station of potentially dangerous temperature conditions. The communication console consists of 3 operating modes: home, night, and away. The home mode is utilized whenever the user is at home with emergency sensors ready for use. If any of the sensors do not report to the console, an automatic trouble report can be sent to the central station. The night mode is used if the user is home but does not want to be disturbed by announcements or reminder messages. Emergency sensors take priority and will always be available for use. The away mode is utilized when the user is away from home. In this setting, the console will not report any missing sensors if the user takes the sensors with them. Any announcements or reminder messages will be blocked in this mode. A unique feature that the 4200 supports is variable supervision intervals from 12 hours to 30 days to avoid false reporting and match the lifestyle of your subscriber. Let's move on to transmitters available for the PERS-4200. Linear offers a selection of long-range transmitters that are compatible with the PERS-4200. The transmission covers up to 1,000 feet. This is almost the length of 3 football fields and 20% more range than older models. These transmitters are also water resistant. There are 3 long-range transmitters available for the PERS-4200. The DXS LRP is a pendant-style button with an adjustable lanyard and breakaway release. The DXS LRW is a wristwatch style with an adjustable wristband. And the DXS LRC refers to both the convertible lanyard and wristwatch styles. There are also optional modules that will add new features and enhanced functions to the PERS-4200. The UTMS 3G cellular module is a unique IP data-only solution that conveniently plugs into the back of the console. The cellular module is designed to provide a wireless communication connection for subscribers without a landline telephone. Cellular support is now ready and available in our latest firmware version 2.2.1, which is located at www.linearcorp.com. Future firmware releases are planned to offer an optional safety net for subscribers with landline connections by providing cellular fallback during regular phone outages. The wireless remote speaker microphone comes in 2 parts: modules and wall stations. The module supports the remote wall station speaker microphone. It also offers 2-way voice coverage throughout an entire home. This implies a greater 2-way communication range in a larger home. We're going to wrap up our system overview by taking a look at the accessories that are also available to use with the PERS-4200. The accessory transmitters include the DXS-31. This is a window transmitter that may be used with the PERS console and DX or DXS format receivers. The DXS54 is a motion detector that may be used with the PERS consoles and DX or DXS format receivers. The DXS65 is a water-resistant emergency push button that may be used with the PERS consoles and DX or DXS format receivers. Detector accessories also work as a great complement to the console. Linear offers a DXS73 smoke detector, which provides a local alarm and then sends a signal to the central station after 20 seconds. A DXS80 carbon monoxide detector also provides a local alarm and sends a signal to the central station after 20 seconds. Both of these are compatible with the PERS, DXS, or other standalone receivers. Congratulations! You've completed the PERS-4200 introduction and product overview.